In 2030, being wealthy is not what it used to be. Ostentatious spending is becoming a thing of the past, as a new generation of luxurians redefine the old signifiers of wealth. The digital patrons seek out creative talent in which to invest their wealth. Eli, #1 on Forbes' rich list, funds a virtual oil painting collective. He's now cataloguing his collection of vintage avatars. Maggie is a clean capitalist. A shipping company heir, she uses her wealth to protect the environment. Recent projects include underwriting the protection of a pristine stretch of coastline in Moyne. Maggie is now preparing herself for her next expedition. Meaningful materialists want guilt-free luxuries. Noah, a self-made billionaire, amassed his fortune by restoring high-end garments and accessories. But what's in his wardrobe, you ask? They weren't always like this. What happened to opulence? Has materialism been replaced? How did we get here, and what's coming next?